Arrow, come over towards me. I'm gonna need a hands-free. Come out with your hands up. All right, one at a time. Keep, you in the first one, gray shirt, walk towards me with your hands up. Keep coming over here. Go ahead and stop and turn around. And then slowly walk backwards toward me. Keep coming. Keep coming. There's a little step there. Alright, don't put your hands behind your back for me. Palms together. Just to be clear on what's going on right now, we gotta follow it. One second, clear on what's going on. Why this one?
This time you're not under arrest, you're going to leave.
I'll get that seat.
You good?
Alright, you in the gray, walk towards me.
Just those three in there?
Yeah, it's just us three, my son and my friend is a realtor. So we just here just to see that.
Alright, go ahead and keep coming. Yep. Go ahead and just turn around, put your hands behind your back for me. Interlace your fingers like you're praying. Two in custody, we're done. Alright, last one, you can come walk over towards me. Jackson, are you over there? Alright, keep coming. Alright, go and turn around right there. Palms together, interlace your fingers like you're praying. Hold on 1 second, Hero. We're in a subject period. That proceedings. So basically what's going on is last week we had a baby at this house while we were exact everything for that exact style. Is that your Mercedes?
That's it.
So the neighbors called because there's that same style car. Because someone was breaking into the house. So the neighbors were on extra high alert for people breaking into the house. They see the same car coming in and you guys going in the car, same way that you went in.
Ask them how many people are in there.
I think it's just
My friend is a realtor. So we just here just to see that.
Alright, go ahead and keep coming.
Okay.
Yep. Go ahead and just turn around, put your hands behind your back for me. Interlace your fingers like you're praying.
Step back further. Step back further. Step back.
2157 to the unit Elson. You have both targets in front.
How many people are inside?
Two in custody, we're
One is locked inside. Step back here. Neighbors are calling in that you guys are breaking into the place. I'm the realtor. Okay, very good. All right.
sounds like this is
Why don't you step back here? It was just broken into a couple days ago also.
Oh.
So that's why the neighbors are really watching it because they thought maybe we'd be back.
Okay. Who do you work for?
Keller Williams. Keller Williams.
And my pocket license, my pocket cards in my wallet.
Okay. Right here?
Yeah.
Okay. Is there like a key thing on the
Yeah.
front door?
Only a realtor can open it.
Okay.
And it's open now.
Okay. Do you have a key with it?
Yeah, if you go inside that license underneath the back of
Right
it,
here?
yeah, if you pull that out, by law we have to carry that.
Okay.
That's my license.
Okay.
My real estate license.
Where's the key at?
The key is in the door.
Your key to open it? Is it
So
there?
there's an electronic key box right there.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
can see it open on the rail,
Yeah.
on the left rail. Inside of that is where the key is, and
Okay.
that key opens the breezeway door.
Okay, so you know the code for the box then?
Yeah, it works only off of a realtor's cell phone, which is in my pocket.
Okay. Okay, let's go check that out in a minute, okay? I think that must. So there's no one else inside?
No.
Okay.
So, back to like, you can get my phone on my pocket.
Yep.
60.
And,
All three in custody.
and if you hit it up to my face, it should unlock it.
Okay.
Copy 2160. All three in custody.
And
Release in the air.
Right here,
Yep.
this work.
Yep.
Century Lock for real estate.
Yep.
This thing works on the satellite.
Okay. Yeah, he's a realtor.
Okay.
That's good news. Sweet. You guys were just showing the other two?
Yeah,
We're good to go.
that's my buddy. We're just showing him the house.
You let him know he's a realtor.
2160. The owner's name and TX is in the call now.
Sorry for the inconvenience.
I don't know. So you know everything about why this happened?
He kind
I
of
mean,
explained a little bit since somebody
He was
broke in
obviously here
before.
in a black
last
Mercedes.
week with that neighbors calling, you know, looking over the house, going, "Hey, there's same car's back," you know, on what it is. So we were trying to get a hold of the homeowner because he knew the homeowner from the prior calls. So, I mean, I do apologize. Obviously, I mean, thank you for just going along with it, and
I would have never thought you guys were
It's
here
obviously-
for us. I was like, oh, something's going on next door.
obviously a good neighborhood. They're watching out for each other, but
Yeah.
so.
When I seen a gun, I'm like, no.
All right, well, I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you.
Yep.
Thank you, sir.
All right, guys. Have a good one.
Thank you, gentlemen. You have a better day.